In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VAT number to your Shopify store. If you've been managing your online business on Shopify and you're now required to include VAT information for your transactions, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring your online store is fully compliant with VAT regulations and ready to serve your customers efficiently. Before we begin, it's important to understand why adding a VAT number is crucial. If you're selling to customers in the European Union, for example, VAT registration is mandatory. This not only impacts your pricing structure but also affects how you report your earnings for tax purposes. So, let's make sure you're all set up. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to your settings. You'll see several options there, but what we're interested in lies under Taxes and Duties. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Taxes page. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see a section dedicated to VAT settings. What you'll do next is look for the area called Tax Regions. This is where you manage how taxes are applied for different countries or regions. If you don't see your target region listed, you may need to add a new region to your taxes. Once you have the appropriate region set up, you can focus on entering your VAT number. Click on the relevant region, and there should be an option to enter your VAT number. If you haven't registered for a VAT number yet, pause for a quick moment and ensure you obtain that from your local tax authorities. It's essential to have that ready to go so that Shopify can take care of calculating and applying taxes accurately. After entering your VAT number, it's important to double-check that you've selected all the applicable settings for tax collection. There could be settings related to whether you're collecting tax for digital or physical goods, so make sure those are accurately toggled based on your product offerings. Once all your configurations are completed, both your VAT number and your rates will be properly set in Shopify. Save your changes and give it a thorough test in the storefront by adding items to your cart and simulating a checkout. This ensures that taxes are displayed as expected and that your store is showing up fully compliant with tax regulations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not just added a VAT number to your Shopify store, but you've also secured peace of mind knowing your business transactions are aligned with tax laws. If there are any questions, or if you're facing specific issues, Shopify's support team can be an excellent resource. Thank you for watching, and here's to smoother sales and operations.